It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2025 F-350 LARIAT in Oxford white. Black interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and an 8-foot box. And this is a nice lined box with a tailgate step. And you have a 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo engine. It is a high output V8. And it is a 4x4 with an automatic transmission as well. You've got those nice cab steps, twin panel moonroof, you've got a power sliding rear window, and many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book it online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 6.7 liter V8 diesel engine. It's a high output paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And you have power extending mirrors as well as memory for 3 drivers, B&O badging system for your audio system, and you've got a power driver's seat as well as power lumbar. Nice stitching in these seats and the headrest, quite comfortable. The Super Duty mats, all weather with the badging and the electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount light, release for your tailgate, lighting controls, and the running board and grab handle just make it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our lane keeping and cruise control, volume, menu, and hands-free dialing. And this is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start-stop button. On the dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, your menu is going to come up. It's got sub-menus, so you just choose what you'd like. And up here, we've got a little cubby, the B&O badging for your audio system, exhaust brake, hill descent, and we have our sources here, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And you have the side menu, you can see navigation, you can touch on it or you can choose it down below. So let's take a look at navigation. It's going to load, and then we can just go in and choose our destination. And we can go into our settings, slide through for different options. You can change the look of your display screen and so forth. And then you've got your features. There's your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assistance. Now, when we put the vehicle in reverse, this is where we're going to see our backup camera view. So we've got these nice view of where we are, back of your vehicle, where your bumper is, center line, and green, yellow, red, just how close you are to other objects or vehicles. So let's put us back into park, volume, and tuner. And then we've got our camera. So this is a forward view. We're not in gear, just taking a look, see what's going on, and then we can just get out of there. Hazard lights, traction control, your volume and tuners there, your dual climate control, heated and cooled seats, as well as heated steering wheel, fans in the center, AC and max AC. And then we can just push this open. You have a wireless charging pad, USB-C and USB. You can press that, it'll close right up. And you've got a little bin, a couple of cup holders, your armrest opens up, got a bin in here, a light, you've got outlets to plug in and charge up if you want. Lots of room to put things. Off to the side, Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and you have your 4x4, rear locking differential, and your drive mode. So as we dial through, we're going to see different options. So there's normal, and then we're going slippery. I'm going to the right here. We're going into 4x4, off-road. And now if I want to go the other way, tow haul, and then eco. So depending on the road conditions, depending on what you're doing, the weather, so forth, you can choose different drive modes for what you need. And then off to the side, we have our 12 volt, we have a 120 volt, 2 glove compartments, lower one's locking, this one releases here, grab handle in the body, and auto dimming rear view mirror. We also have our lighting controls, universal garage door opener, sunglass holder, upfitter switches, you have a power sliding rear window, and this is for your twin panel moonroof. So we can just, whoops, I'm on the screen here. So we have a power screen as well as glass. So the fixed glass is for the rear portion, and the front is what moves forwards and backwards to give you some air and light. And then the screen button is right beside, and you can close it up or open it as you wish. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, black running board, body color door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors. Driver's side fuel cap, the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and in the back you can see the LED lights lit up there beside the handle. Just above it is where your backup camera is located, and you also have backup sensors on your bumper, as well as a 4 and 7 pin connector and a trailer hitch. And then when you're ready to bring down that tailgate, all you have to do is double click your fob. It'll power it down for you. You've got a nice spray and liner, tie downs in all 4 corners, and you also have a tailgate step and a measuring tape. So if you want to do a little work back here, you can. Nice generous box. This is 8 feet, just a little bit over. And when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. And on your fob, you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows, and you also have the B&O badging for your audio system. Grab handle in the body, and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Just push the seat up and you've got this nice collapsible bin, all weather mats on the floor, and then just pull the tab and it'll bring it right down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and in the center is an armrest with a couple of cup holders. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and then you have your cup holders. You've got your heated seats for back here, USB outlets, air vents, and your 120 is located there. And then a nice twin panel moonroof, grab handle on the driver's side, and in the back access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. 8-foot lined box, and you're seeing the blackout in the black wheels and the FX4 as well, because that has the black appearance package. You also have privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, and LED headlights, fog lights, front camera, tow hooks, and many other reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.